You're able to run delta neutral trading strategies if that's your risk profile and that's what you'd like. You can earn yield from those trading strategies while also earning yield from the on-chain staking mechanisms because your tokens are actually still on-chain. So you're able to double dip in a way and earn extra yield all while your assets are safe. And this is something that would not be traditionally available to retail users because it's simply too expensive. The administrative overhead to run all of this is expensive. But because of blockchain technologies, we're able to bring that down to retail. Because whether you add, like I mentioned, a few more Vaulta tokens in a bucket or a few less, it really that doesn't change anything in the overall architecture of this. And so that's what we're building as one example of an asset. And in terms of holistic view, as I mentioned earlier, that's just one product, but there are many products in this stack that we're building, and we could get into the pillars later that are more traditional and some are less traditional, and we can get into the insurance portion later. But there are things that are not just looking at the Web3 banking side of things, but if you want access to financial products, or if you want access to a bank account, as a company, you traditionally need insurance as well. We're talking about regular directors and officers insurance, cyber security insurance. Like there's tons of different insurance that doesn't even have to do with the financial side of things. But you can't get access to the financial products if you don't have insurance. And traditionally, it's been very difficult in the blockchain space to get insured because it's a nascent industry, because the risk is unknown, because the risk is unknown. A lot of insurance companies don't want to insure, and or if they do, they charge extremely high premiums, which then become prohibitive and people can't access them. So we've looked at this from a holistic view in terms of what is required to be able to democratize access to financial services to retail users, and how can we basically bring that about and create a whole ecosystem that brings that down so that people can have access to it.